Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Got the Vendetta out. We're going to make a 4S pass with it. Last time we were out with it, it went 107 on 4S. We're hoping for a little better. I have made some adjustments to the front where the body does not rub anymore. And as you guys seen in the last video, the tail did break off, and I haven't come up with a fix for that. But we're going to run it without it and see what happens. Anyhow, guys, we've got some satellites here. We'll wait for this car to come and then we'll see if we can make us a run. Hoping for better than 107 on 4S with it. So get her down here, see what we can do. More cars. Let's see what that one does. A while ago it just went up there and turned around, so okay. Zeroed out. 0. Start. Tracking. It's weird. Felt like I had a little bit of resistance in there, but let's see. I'm gonna send it down there. All right, here we go. Okay. Let's see. 112, guys. New PB. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. There you go, guys. 112 miles an hour, 4S. 2,631 feet. So that's about as far as I can push it really on this road. Awesome, awesome pass, guys. New 4S PB. New PB for the 3S platform. Hopefully we'll just keep getting faster, guys. If y'all are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, think about hitting that subscribe button, guys. Leave us a comment, suggestions. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.